In addition to personality tests, organizations also use assessment centers to evaluate their employees' development needs. Groups of employees are brought into the center and asked to participate in several activities together. Their behaviors are measured by multiple trained raters who fill out forms and discuss their ratings with the other raters until they can all come to some agreement about every single employee's proficiency in every single skill that is being measured. Assessment centers are commonly used to evaluate observable skills, things like personality, administrative skills, interpersonal skills. In a leaderless group discussion, the participants are tasked with solving some problem, and the raters watch to see which member or members emerge as the group leader. And they pay attention to how the rest of the members interact with one another. In interviews, employees answer questions about their work experiences, about their career plans, and they answer scenario-based questions related to their job. A traditional in-basket exercise is a type of simulation in which employees are provided with a stack of documents like emails, memos, budgets, and reports. They have to prioritize and complete each of the tasks. In role plays, employees act out different job-relevant scenarios and interpersonal reactions, while the raters measure their responses, not their acting skills. Due to their high expense in terms of money and time, assessment centers are often reserved for managerial potential and managerial candidates. Today, they're also being used to select people for teams. Together, both personality tests and assessment centers are useful in gathering information about employees. In the next videos, we'll learn more about the specific development opportunities that can be matched to their current KSAOs to help them get where they're trying to go.